Hi, it's Hannah
and Aqua
with WTI.
How could you hear us both so well? It is thanks to this little microphone here by ATKTTOP. It comes as a whole set with 2 microphones, and it is awesome. It works with USB-C, USB, Apple, so any device you have, it will work with that. I do a lot of recording at night with voiceovers, but I need it to match audio that I recorded during the day. And this, because the microphone is right next to me all the time, it doesn't matter where I was recording. With this, it doesn't matter if I am going away from my camera. I don't even have to face the camera. I can totally walk away from you, and no matter how far away I get, you can still hear me perfect, and it's nice, crisp, and clear. So whether you're close
or far away,
you can hear us equally as well. Setup is super easy. As soon as you turn the 2 microphones on, they automatically connect to the receiver. It really is easy. There are tons of options on sound quality with these. So depending on what situation you're in, they have tons. I'm still learning all of the different functions and how they work. One thing to keep in mind is if you have the receiver plugged into a device and you go to play back the video you just recorded, you will not hear any audio unless you use the headphones, which they include, or unplug the receiver. But I have been thrilled with this. The quality is really nice. I love that the case charges all the different instruments, so everything is fully charged every time I need them. Highly recommend this set. And that's our point of view.